Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated smartphones of the year, the Google Pixel 8a. Google has been killing it with their Pixel A series, offering flagship-level features at a mid-range price. But does the Pixel 8a live up to the hype? Is it the best mid-ranger of 2024? Well, we're about to find out. So grab a snack, sit back, and let's get into it. Unboxing and first impressions. Alright, let's start with the unboxing. The Pixel 8a comes in Google's signature minimalist packaging. Clean, eco-friendly, and no unnecessary fluff. Inside, we've got the phone itself, a USB-C cable, a SIM tool, and some documentation. No charger in the box, which is pretty standard these days, but still worth noting. First impressions, the Pixel 8a looks stunning. It's got that classic Pixel design with a matte finish back that feels great in the hand and doesn't attract fingerprints. The camera bar is sleek and symmetrical, and the overall build quality feels premium, especially for a mid-range device. It's also IP67 water and dust resistant, which is a nice touch at this price point. Display and design. Now, let's talk about the display. The Pixel 8a features a 6.1-inch OLED screen with a 90 Hz refresh rate. It's not the highest refresh rate out there, but for most people it's more than enough. The colors are vibrant, the blacks are deep, and the brightness is solid, even in direct sunlight. It's also protected by Gorilla Glass 3, which should keep it safe from minor scratches and drops. One thing I love about Pixel devices is the software experience. The 8a runs on Android 14 out of the box, and it's buttery smooth. Google's software optimization is second to none, and you really feel that here. Plus, you're guaranteed at least 3 major OS updates and 5 years of security updates, which is fantastic for a mid-range phone. Performance and battery life. Under the hood, the Pixel 8a is powered by Google's Tensor G3 chip, the same processor found in the flagship Pixel 8 and 8 Pro. That's a huge win for the A series. Day-to-day performance is snappy, and it handles multitasking like a champ. Gaming is also pretty solid, though don't expect it to compete with dedicated gaming phones. But for casual gamers, it's more than capable. Battery life is another strong point. The 4500 mAh battery easily gets me through a full day of moderate to heavy use. And when you do need to recharge, there's 18W wired charging and wireless charging support. It's not the fastest charging out there, but it gets the job done. Camera performance. Now let's talk about the camera, arguably the star of the show. The Pixel 8a features a dual camera setup, a 64MP main sensor and a 13MP ultra-wide. And let me tell you, the photos this thing takes are incredible. Google's computational photography is still the best in the business, and it shows. Colors are accurate, details are sharp, and low-light performance is impressive thanks to night sight. Video recording is also solid, with support for up to 4K at 60 fps. The stabilization is great, and the audio quality is clear. It's not quite on par with the iPhone 15 or the Pixel 8 Pro, but for the price, it's hard to complain. Software and extra. So one of the biggest reasons to buy a Pixel is the software experience. Features like call screening, now playing, and magic eraser are just so useful and make the phone feel truly unique. And with the Tensor G3 chip, you also get some cool AI features like enhanced voice typing and real-time translation. Security is also top-notch, with both a fingerprint sensor and face unlock. Both work quickly and reliably, which is always a plus. Value for money. This phone is a great value at launch, but Pixel A series phones have a history of amazing discounts. In the past, I saw the Pixel 7a drop from $499 to $349 in the US on Amazon. I'll be following the deals closely on this one. So, final thoughts? The Google Pixel 8a is an absolute winner. It's not perfect. The charging could be faster, and the 90 Hz display might feel dated to some. But for the price, it's hard to beat. If you're looking for a mid-range phone that punches above its weight, the Pixel 8a should be at the top of your list. Alright, that's it for this review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tech content. And let me know in the comments, are you planning to pick up the Pixel 8a or are you considering something else? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.